Hey everybody, Warren here. Welcome to another course. Um, Most of you have probably been with courses maybe before, and I do these videos most every week. So, and if you're new and never had me before, I do these videos every week or so, with just current info on the course or whatever we need to talk about. So let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen here with you. Get into our course room. So this, is marketing strategies. You can either on the home page here, you can scroll down and click on links, or on the left here on the modules, whichever is easier. We've also been for the last few terms now, accessing your ebook is done right here on the home page. Right there, you just click to click here to open your ebook, and that will take you to another. That will open up here, and then you click one more time here. That will open up a new tab um, and bring you to your book. Okay, so there it is. So that's how we get in there. So um, as far as the course room itself, um, each week we do the got the to-do list, presentations, discussion, assignment, quiz, and participation. So presentations are PowerPoint slides. And I always tell people make sure you go over slides because generally our presentations have lots of the info in there, good info. Pretty much anything that's going to be in quizzes and exams you can find in these PowerPoint slides. So our weekly assignments. Uh, Generally, it's something written. Sometimes you got more than one. Every once in a while, a student, they'll look at something and they'll say, "Oh, okay, one and two," and they don't. You got to scroll down. Make sure you're getting everything in there. If you do happen to do that and miss it, I'll just let you know and let you resubmit it. So, but still, just make sure you're getting the whole assignment, not just part of it when you get into this block here. So, also make sure you're doing, Microsoft Word, Roman 12-point font, that type of thing. And, you make sure you describe, you just don't say yes or no. These type of questions are, require, answers. So, all right, then we go into our discussions. And as always, first the post is due by Wednesday evening. That allows everybody time to look at them and interact. We got a lot of point value on the discussion forum, and that's so because people, students are able to interact, and learn from each other, share experiences. So there's a lot of learning and sharing that goes on in these discussion forums. So that's why we, stress, participate. For initial post by Wednesday, and then your replies to other students, by Sunday evening. So, and each week you'll have either one or two things to talk about. Here it says, talk about one or the other, so you do that. Also, on initial post, it needs to be, maybe a few sentences or a paragraph, uh, saying, yeah, that's a good idea, or yep, or yep or no, or whatever. Don't cut it. It's supposed to be something that contributes and participates. Same thing on the replies. It needs to be more than, hey, that's a good point, or yes, I agree. You need to say something, and again, so, if you just say yes or no, or I agree, that won't count as a reply. So, I just want to make sure everybody, make sure you're aware of that. And the reason for that is it's supposed to interact. So that's part of that there. Okay, so what else we got? So that's pretty much it for this week. Like saying, as the weeks go by, if there's something we need to talk about or I notice something, we'll go over it. Um, and then um, other than that, we should be good to go. If you need to get in touch with me, a lot of you already get in touch on a regular basis in the prior courses, so that's no problems there or anything. Just you can use the Canvas system, the message system there. Most everybody's using that now. That works very efficiently. You still got email, and you can also do texting and calling. So whatever works for you, um, get in touch with me. And with that, we will call it quits for now. And I just want again welcome to your next course, and I will see you down the weeks here. Take care.